In this video, we will see how to add end screen to your YouTube videos to promote your videos, your playlist and your channel. Once you have uploaded video to your YouTube channel and published it, click YouTube profile icon on the right and then again click YouTube Studio tab. Next, in the left side of YouTube Studio dashboard, click Videos tab. Next, select the video for which you wish to add end screen and click the title of the video. Here on the individual video page, scroll to the bottom right and click end screen option below. In this YouTube video's end screen page, you can set up end screen on your video you uploaded. So let's get started with the process. On this page, you can click Add Element button. Here, you can promote a single video, an entire playlist, promote subscription to your channel or other channel, and also link to an approved website by your YouTube channel. Let's click the first option, Add Video or Playlist. In this pop-up window, you can select any of the three options. Most recent upload option automatically features a recently uploaded video as an end screen. Best for Viewer option allows YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer depending on his past choices of videos viewed. Choose a video or playlist option allows a specific video you uploaded to your channel or a specific playlist created to be added as an end screen on your video. Or you can also add others' YouTube video or playlist URL on YouTube and click Element button. Here you can add maximum up to 4 end screens and you can move the end screen within the transparent box without overlapping each other. You can also move and place the end screen annotation within the last 20 seconds of your YouTube video. Here, you can promote subscription to your channel. Here, you can promote others' channel as an end screen to your YouTube video and drive traffic to them. You can add your website link as an end screen to your YouTube video. In this pop-up window, you can select your website link and drive traffic to them. You can preview the end screen annotations by clicking this preview button to edit them accordingly. And finally, click Save button on the page. Viewers viewing this video will come across this end screen annotations and if interested could click and view this video. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we add any new content. You can also like and comment if you like the video. Thank you.